Ah, the original Xbox 360. It's beautiful on the outside, isn't it? But as we all know, it's what's inside that counts. So, what's inside this? Well, this. Here's the disk drive. Here's the button that pushes the eject. Right there's the power button. And right under these giant heat sinks and fans is the motherboard. I'm gonna remove the disk drive so you can get a better look at it. We just have to pop out. And boom, there's more motherboard. You got chips and resistors and cables and everything that makes the games go. And all that is in this beautiful shell.